Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the first of the month. We are October 1st, 2019, and if we look back at Windows market share for September 2019, where are the numbers? Well, the numbers are actually showing pretty good figures for Windows 10. Windows 10 for September is now at 60.65% of all Windows PCs. That's a big number, and it shows that Windows 10 is really dominating. One of the interesting aspects of this is also showing that there is a acceleration of the adoption of Windows 10. We have moved beyond 10 million installs per month, and it seems to be accelerating even more. Probably and possibly it has something to do with the fact that Windows 7 is really getting near the end. Remember that Windows 7 is actually going to be retired on January 14th. So this leaves only 3 months of updates left before Windows 7 has done its 10-year cycle. Of course, businesses can pay for very expensive support for more years, but it seems that probably businesses are really moving fast forward now to Windows 10 as we're getting near the end. Windows 7 at 39%, so still a third of all PCs out there pretty much. If we look at the jump here, in August of 2019, Windows 10 was on 59.8% of machines. It's at 60.65. Windows 7 in August was at 30.9%. It's now at 29.3%. More than half, 1.5% down. Kind of interesting to see these numbers here. But still, it makes a lot of machines that are still on Windows 7 when you think about it. If you look at Windows 8, I like to kind of put both together. So Windows 8 roughly at 8% of market share, and Windows XP still at 1.44%. Windows Vista 0.31%. I often get questions of people saying, "Yeah, why are these versions, old versions of Windows, still there?" You know, if you look at Windows, the Windows XP versions and stuff like that, you know, what's happening is that there's a lot of businesses that actually have specific items. There's hardware that might not be compatible with a future version. It could be a piece of software they absolutely need to use. I would say that 1.44% of the Windows XP here is probably XP machines in enterprise that still need to run old hardware that would not be compatible with Windows 10. So these are the numbers. Windows 10 is marching on. It's moving on to eventually reach that 1 billion number probably next year. One of the things that we have had as a number last week was Microsoft did say that 900 million PCs out there were running Windows 10, which is a huge number when you think about it, and still shows that Windows is a dominant operating system. It's as simple as that. So moving on once again to Windows 10 with these numbers on October 1st, 2019. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.